Good morning everyone. So today we're going to be all about adding and subtracting fractions, which is as ever about finding the lowest common denominator. So we'll move on to that. Tomato juice instead of biscuits today, I think. Nice stuff, as long as you add your Worcester sauce and a little drop or two of Tabasco. Okay folks, so here's our 4 examples for today. Have a little go at them. Pause the video whenever you fancy. The first one should cause us no trouble. Lowest common denominator for 3 and 4 is 12, so 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 1 is 4, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. So then we've got 4 plus 9 giving us 13 over 12, and you can put it as a mixed number if you like, but with a lot of the stuff we're going to be doing, actually you can just leave it the way it is. Now 2x and 3x, the lowest common denominator, as with 2 and 3, would be 6, so it's going to be 6x, which means I'm timesing this one by 3 to give me 3a over 6x, this one by 2 to give me 2b over 6x, and then we can just add the numerators together over a single denominator. Coming on to taking, same idea, but this time we've got a complex denominator in both cases, so we're going to need to multiply that by that. So I'm going to have x plus 3, x plus 1. Now for the first fraction, the 2 has already got the x plus 3, so it's being times by x plus 1, so we can just write that. And here we'll have the same denominator, and the 1 is being multiplied by x plus 3. Now we do need to expand this bracket and then simplify our numerator. So we know we've got x plus 3, x plus 1. You don't have to expand those, you can if you want to, but there's really no point. Then if I expand that, that's going to give me 2x plus 2, and I'm taking away x plus 3. So I'm just going to sneak on, I've just about got room on my page there, and 2x take 1x is 1x, and 2 plus 3 is 5, and that's as far as we can go there. Now the last one, look very carefully beforehand. Now you can multiply that by x squared minus 1 and x squared minus 1 by x plus 1, but if you look very carefully you may have spotted that that's the difference between 2 squares. So I'm just going to keep the first fraction the same first of all, and the second one I'm going to rewrite that as x plus 1 times x take 1, and what that means is we don't have to change the second fraction at all, we only have to change the top one. And I'm going to do another little trick here and put it all under the one denominator in one go. So 3 times x minus 1, and we're just going to be taking 4 from that. So to clean that up, we just need to expand this. 3x take 3, and we'll be taking 4, x plus 1, x take 1, and then we just need to simplify that. 3x is the only term with x, but we've got negative 3 and negative 4, which add together to make negative 7. And that is all the examples for today. And if you could do page 8, exercise 1c, questions 3, 4, 6 and 7, if you can get all of those, then you would have done very well. A bit like yesterday. I will be putting those questions on as a separate Word document as well that you can download. Okay, good luck with all of that, folks.